Well, I think just like any field, we live in a hyper-connected society now. So every field is being changed, and academia research is no different. Basically, in the hyper-connected age, we have the ability to access limitless information and in real time. And so that's fundamentally changing the way that we do research. Because before we would wait until some journal paper is published or some annual conference before we would see each other's work. Whereas now all this is happening in real time. So I think for researchers, no longer can we do research in isolation. It is all happening in real time, and it means that we have to be much more connected than we ever were before. The advantage of this, of course, is that when you want to do some research, I always advise people to do something which is quantum step. Don't do things which is incremental. Then I think if you can keep abreast of the latest research through social networks, it decreases the danger that by the time you do some work or publish your work, it's basically already done or well known. You have to really keep up with what's happening. So one thing is that research is happening in real time. You have to engage with all the other researchers and keep up to date, in real time what is happening. And at the same time, I think another related part to this hyperconnectivity with social networks is that you have a new way of building up your academic network. Academia, just like any other profession, it's very important to build up your network, to try to have sponsors and mentors in your career, especially when you're young. And now you can do this virtually. You don't have to be in the same university, or you don't have to attend the same conference all the time. Of course, some physical interaction is important, but you can build up very strong academic networks using these new social networks and new connectivity.